I'm watching from the floor, but I know what I'm made for. They pour the coffee, speak the words, someday that cup is mine.
The baby doesn't know, the old cats eat down low, but I've got fire behind my eyes, and I just need a little time.
There's another in the glass, with my face but not my soul. When I look too long I feel it pull, something's waiting to be whole.
The girl who doesn't speak moves through the house like smoke. She smiles with too many teeth, and the parents never know. Now I sleep beneath the crib, keep my eyes upon the door. Something's coming, I can feel it. That's what I was made for.
Moonlight on the crib, she comes with something sharp. I see her in the silver light, a happy nearest heart. I know what I must do, I've always known the cost. I throw myself into her eyes and give her what I've got. She opens up her mouth and calls out for her mother. The baby's safe, the girl can speak, but I am gone forever.
Now I'm just a cat who sits beside the door, with gold eyes full of something lost, a book I'll never write, a word I'll never say. But once I was a kitten, and I say